What's going on, guys? Decelation, Brian.
What's up, peeps?
And today we're back on the Factory 35 hot rod truck. And we've been trying to skate away from this, but it's back to standing as usual. So, we got to pull these side bed panels off so Brian can get access to the back corners of the body. And then I got to sand these. Yay. You happy?
Oh, stoked. Cut my vacation short to come back and sand fiberglass.
Aw, see?
Dedication.
I feel loved. But yeah, so but this is gonna take a bit because these are big panels and they're kind of a bitch. Yay. Alright, so stay tuned and watch us take apart these panels.
Since the music stopped, you guys can look at the crazy weather that's going on out there. I'll take you over here and Gary can update you on his. You've been watching me sand and sand and sand and sand and sand. I'll give you to Gary. He's been sanding and sanding and sanding.
What's up, people? So this is a new panel I'm about to start sanding. I just finished sanding this panel. I didn't block sand this yet because we're gonna have to thanks from Mike from B Woody, we're gonna do his trick, and he poured panel bond all in here on both ends and on this seam right here, and I didn't want to waste panel bond, so I'm gonna sand both panels and get them, just do that all at once, because I've heard from a couple people that these panels like to delaminate from the metal, so that panel bond will prevent that from going anywhere, and it closes up this ugly looking thing right here, because this is the back and this is what you'll see. So we're gonna close that up and fill this whole thing with panel bond, and apparently it's nice and sandable. So that's where we're at right now on that one. Yeah, this is whew. But yeah, gotta do sand this panel. And dude, once these are done, I get to paint the back side and then paint this side. We're almost done with panels.
It's time to yank the body off.
Yeah. Go-kart stage again. Rolling burnout during the go-kart stage?
Not as much as for the rolling burnout as we need to drive around the neighborhood to blow all the
fiberglass dust
out of it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Wonder why we're driving down the road with masks on. Well, that'll be why.
He's got a point. Oh man. So yeah, we'll keep sanding and stay in the garage because that shit's getting kind of nasty out there. Yeah. Anything else, Brian?
No. I'm good.
Welcome back, guys. It's a new day. Yay. Sanding again. Yay! Brian's already ready to go. Yeah. You guys know the drill. Time to get back to work. Welcome back, people. I'm not happy. So, this stupid little panel bond gun, which is not a real panel bond gun, because panel bond has the unique little weird shit that we had to try to make this work. So, like, one size is smaller than the other because I guess the mixing ratio is different. Well, this one was not working really well, and it looked like the panel bond was kind of back feeding in. So I don't know if this is actually going to dry. Yay. So, with that being said, I ordered the 3M one, which obviously can't get here till next week. So we'll see how much actual of the hardener got in there and see if this actually dries. If not, I'm gonna have to scoop it all out. And the reason why it's clamped at the moment because this panel was already delaminating. Yeah, not cool. So I mean, I'd have had drove it for a couple months, and then this metal will be coming off. The metal will be coming off of the fiberglass, or fiberglass coming off the metal, in a couple months. Yeah, that's shitty. But yes, so that's where we're at right now. Like, I haven't done anything to this panel yet. I'm going to, I guess, work on painting the inside metal and this, because we're pretty fucking close to. Oh great, I just dropped panel bond all over myself. Awesome. But yeah, we're pretty close to pulling the body off of here, so I need to get make room for this crap. Yeah. That stuff was back feeding into the tube. I threw away the tube. It was just making a mess. Yeah. Catch you guys in a bit. What's going on, guys? So with the panels, the one that had the panel bond in, some of it's still tacky, but I did manage to not prevent me from doing work on that. So it's just me right now, but I did paint the inner side of the panels. So the lower part is that rubberized undercoating, and then the top part where the metal was, that's the steel it black. And man, does this come out beautifully. This shines. It's got that like beautiful satin finish to it. It really came out well. And then I also painted the tail lights as well as the clasp. But yeah, looks good. But thank you guys for watching these videos. I really do appreciate you guys. It's gonna be a wrap for this one, but if you like this type of content, comment down below, let us know, hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Dude, we're getting close. It's ecstatic. All right, have a good one, guys.